Meaning of don't.
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 Don't. Don't is a contraction of the words do not. It is a negative imperative that is used to prohibit or discourage someone from doing something. When someone uses don't in a sentence, they are conveying a message of negation. The result of using don't is usually to prevent or stop an action from taking place or to warn against a particular behavior. For example, saying don't touch that stove is a warning against potentially harmful behavior, while saying don't give up on your dreams is an encouragement to persevere.